If your business is doing $1 to $2 million in revenue and you want to get to that 5, 10, $15 million in revenue, unfortunately, posting every single day for your business is not going to do it. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. This is Efren the Marketer, and you already know. If you don't know and you've just been subscribed to my YouTube channel because you're just here for the regular content, well, yeah, I own a marketing company, and so I kind of want to make this topic because I see a lot of videos online where people just talk about how you should be posting every single day on Instagram and TikTok and Facebook and Twitter. And, you know, at the end of the day, it's great to always post organically for your business because it's free and it can generate business. But I've been doing that for the past 4 or 5 years, and it gets dreadful, even after hiring a video team. So if you want to grow your business and you want to grow it right, if you're at that $1 to $2 million in revenue and you want to get to that 5, 10, $15 million mark, you definitely need to do this strategy. So I'm currently here at our headquarters, Gold Level Marketing, our front desk. I'll give you a little tour just to show you that we have a full-blown marketing agency. We got accounting, we got operations manager, we got sales in there, we got Luis here. Actually, let's talk to Luis real quick. So about 3 years ago, I made a YouTube video on how to send direct mail, and that video didn't get picked up in the algorithm, but I did spend a little bit of money to get it to about 5,000, 10,000 views, and then it picked up on the algorithm because more people trusted it because it had that following behind it. Oh, this video has views. Let me click on it because it's probably a good video. And it was a good video. The best part about that video is I didn't have to post every single day on YouTube or Instagram or TikTok to generate leads. And that's what people are currently doing. They're forgetting about this giant monster of online advertising and spending money on YouTube to get your videos indexed. So this video I posted about 4 years ago or 3 years ago, I can't freaking think, but it did really well. And actually now we don't even offer print. And we were sending them to a website and we're getting leads generated every week. So why are we going to talk to Luis? We're going to talk to Luis because he's going to be my proof that my strategy that I'm explaining to you today actually works. You know that video, right? The one that's always generating leads, the how to send direct mail?
Yeah.
How many leads do you think you got in yourself? By the way, Luis is a client manager here, and there's other client managers. How many leads do you think you got in?
Personally, from that video, I would say at least like above 30 at least.
30. And here's the thing, right? So he's done 30, and I think, so the print shop has taken phone calls, and then we have 2 other client managers. So you're talking about 4 people taking on these, so 30 a piece. I mean, you're talking about 100 leads. And again, I probably only spent like $1,000, $2,000 to get it ranking. All right, how much money you think you generated on just those 30 leads?
Just those 30 leads, I want to say at least 30K.
30K?
Yeah.
30K. Will you make a 10-minute video today to make 30K for your business? This is just one salesperson, so we probably made a good $50,000 to $100,000 off this video. And again, the best part is you run ads, you focus on getting the right traffic to click on it, then you get indexed. As you get indexed, then it starts to blow up. All right, these guys are talking politics. This is Miles. He's our ad specialist here at Gold Level.
What's up, guys?
What's going on?
Welcome to the office.
Miles is probably like, what's going on here? I caught him off guard. I feel like a little kid with this chair. It's so tiny. All right, so Miles is the one that runs the ads. And what we're going to do is going to be the exact same strategy that I did for how to send direct mail. You can go on Google right now. Don't even go on YouTube. Go to Google and type in how to send direct mail. My video will be probably like the second, first. But if you look at the other videos, Gold Level Marketing, we doubled down on that same concept because it did so good. So now we have like 4 or 5 videos of the same topic that are ranking, that we spent a little bit of money just to get them ranking, and they're still giving us leads till this day after 3-4 years, right? So Miles, now we're gonna do the exact same thing. So I'm a big believer if you're trying to get to that 5, 10, 15,000, I mean 5 to 10, $15 million mark in your business and revenue, you gotta spend money. You gotta have a nice website. You cannot operate the same way you were doing things to generate that 1 or 2 million for your business. And if you're not generating 1 or 2 million for your business, you can do the same strategy now to get to the 1 or 2. But 5, 10, 15 million, this strategy works, and it's gonna keep on giving with the least effort of your video team or yourself. So this video, we're going to do the same thing as the EDDM one, but we're gonna target business owners anywhere from 21 to 50-year-olds, and we're gonna do A markets. We have A markets, which is, what is it?
So for us, typically that's in the Southwest where we prioritize a lot of our high-end clients that are in California, that are here in Arizona, in Nevada, and also in Texas. Those markets are larger, and like I said, there are a lot more high-end clients that can work with us easily and not have to worry about the barriers that these online advertising platforms have in terms of what it takes to have a successful campaign.
The main reason why we do A markets, so let's think about it, right? Our services cost XYZ. Obviously, we have a nice office, we have really talented people here, we have great products, and sometimes when you're like in these smaller cities with lower income, you know, typically the businesses don't make much money. So what I like to do, what we like to do here is go after the big fish, or the people that have enough traffic or enough revenue, and get in front of them. So if you're watching this video and you're in Arizona, California, Texas, Florida, Nevada, right, that means he's spending money right now to get in front of you, right? And if you're wondering how this video is gonna do, I'm actually gonna keep you guys posted and updated in the comments down below. Or if you have any questions, you can post them down below too, I'll answer them. But starting today, we're gonna try to get this video indexed and get it up and running. What you wanna do is spend money on advertising and have a nice website to convert people to. You can't just be making all this content and then have like a $500 Fiverr website and expect to make millions of dollars. That's not gonna happen. I'm gonna plug our company in here. It's not an ad. Well, actually, it is an ad, but I'm gonna plug our company in here. If you need a website that really showcases your business, and if you get 100 people or 1,000 people to this website, is it going to show your product or your service to its best ability, right? And
that's right. And if you're seeing this video, it's because you are a part of our target audience. You're in our target markets, and there's parts of your lifestyle that align with what we do. We know that you're probably an entrepreneur seeking to expand your business, or a business owner, or someone involved with marketing who understands the importance of expanding your reach and the importance of awareness that leads to conversions.
Yep. So the strategy, what is the strategy, right? Stop posting so much online on Instagram and Facebook and TikTok because you only have a certain amount of bandwidth. Posting is good, but to get to that 5, 10, $15 million mark to generate those leads, you got to spend money on advertising. And there's better ways to spend money on ads, just like this concept here, where it's like, where you hit a topic, we advertise it, we try to rank the video SEO-wise so the algorithm picks it up. And YouTube content and YouTube social media is probably going to be one of the best that you can do, because TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, they kind of like, how do you say it? Like short memory, short term?
Yeah, it's not going to last as long as content that's indexed and categorized by a search engine. Where you post on YouTube, you can still see a video from 2 to 3 years ago getting traffic and showing up at the top of your search, versus how do you find new content on Instagram? It's shown to you on a daily basis, and if you see a post from even someone you know that's 7 days old, you're less likely to engage with that. Versus on YouTube, it can be a decade old and still hold relevant information if it's a tutorial or something informative.
Correct. So again, you probably hear people killing it, making $1 million or $2 million on Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok and posting. And I went like this earlier, free, because technically it's not free. I mean, you need to hire a videographer, you need to spend money on a camera or on your phone. And if you're doing it, then it's costing you opportunities to refine your business and make it better or better your product, right? So Again, I'm a big believer. I'm always on social media. I've been posting on Instagram. That's where we get most of our leads here for our company. But it gets dreadful, and we found this new strategy that just really works. And this is the strategy I'm explaining to you right here. So we do spend a lot of money on ads to generate leads for ourselves and for our clients. And so we know this works. But we're gonna spend money on this video. Our 8 markets. We're gonna spend $1,000 a month, and we're gonna actually send the traffic to this video, right?
Right.
And if you want to know how this video is doing in ads, I'm probably gonna do a follow-up video in 2 months, 3 months. So if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. And again, if you have any questions, drop it down below. If you're looking for any type of marketing services, the link's down below as well. And take it from there. Cool.
See you in the comments.
See you in the comments. A good one. Well, before you go, I want to show you this cool thing we spent a lot of money on, which is our sign. I'm really proud of this. Actually, we didn't spend a lot of money on it. We worked out a deal with a local construction company to make these cool lights, Golo Marketing. And then we just put a ping pong table here. So it looks really good when people walk in. Anyways, if you're a regular subscriber of mine and you're lost, this is what I do day in, day out. So I'm a full-time marketer here at Golo Marketing, run the company and all that stuff. And if you were a business owner and you didn't know we did this, shoot us a message. Somebody here will consult with you and take it from there.